In our last video, we seen the total expenditure method. आपण लास्ट व्हिडिओमध्ये टोटल एक्सपेंडिचर मेथड पाहिली, त्यामध्ये थर्ड टाईप आपला राहिला होता. इन दॅट व्हिडिओ आवर थर्ड पॉईंट इज रिमेन. सो द थर्ड टाईप इज, व्हॉट इज द थर्ड टाईप? द थर्ड टाईप इज relatively inelastic demand. Relatively inelastic demands mean what? In symbolic term, ED less than 1. ED less than 1. This type we have to compare the total expenditure to a price. So the price of कमॉडिटी जी आहे ती कोणती होती आपली? सी कमॉडिटी. आपण ए बी ऑलरेडी पाहिले आहेत, त्यामध्ये तर कमॉडिटी कोणती आहे? सी. इन सी कमॉडिटी क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड, next column is total expenditure, means the total outlay. Formula of total expenditure, price into quantity. Next, the type of elasticity of demand. C commodity, price of that commodity. C commodity, price of commodity is 50. After specific period, the price of commodity is 60, means increase in price. At price 50, the quantity demanded is 2. At price 60, the quantity demanded is 1. So here it indicates that at price 50, the quantity demand is 2. When the price will be rise, the quantity demand falls, that is 1. So the formula of our P into Q, 50 into 2, 100. 60 into 1, 60. So it indicate we have to compare the total expenditure to price. So before the price, ज्यावेळेस प्राइस चेंज होणार होती, means at the time of 50 our total expenditure is 100, but after specific period the price will be rise 60. So total expenditure is 60. Total expenditure 60 means 100 is more than 60. It indicates that the elasticity of demand is less than 1. Our next types measure, the next type is measures मेथड्स मधला नेक्स्ट पॉइंट कोणता आहे आपला? थर्ड पॉइंट मेथड. In methods we already studied the two method. First is ratio method, second is total expenditure method, means the total outlay method, and the third one is point method. In this method, each point we have to find out the elasticity of demand. This method, point method, is developed by Professor Alfred Marshall. In this method we have to find out the each point elasticity of demand. Using this method we can find out the each point elasticity of demand. These two method fails to explain the each point elasticity. So the third method is developed by Professor Marshall. It indicate the each point elasticity of demand. The formula to measure the point elasticity is point elasticity of demand is equal to lower segment of demand curve at a given point divided by upper segment of demand curve at a given point. here the shortcut lower segment of demand curve and upper segment of demand curve. This point method explain the two demand curve. This point method explain the two demand curve. First is linear demand curve and the second one is non-linear demand curve. Linear demand curve means the demand curve is in a straight line. फर्स्ट कर्व इथे फर्स्ट कर्व घेऊया, तो कोणता आहे लिनियर डिमांड कर्व. लिनियर डिमांड कर्व. In this the demand curve is in a straight line. So आपल्याला आपण जे पाहिले होते प्राइस इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ डिमांड टाइप्स पाहिले होते. दिस 5 टाइप्स वी हॅव टू एक्सप्लेन इन अ वन ग्राफ. मग वन ग्राफमध्ये आपण कसं एक्सप्लेन करणार. ग्राफ काढण्याच्या वेळेस x-axis and y-axis. Okay, x-axis indicate the quantity demand and y-axis indicate the price of commodity. Price of commodity. If in this point method we have to find out the each point elasticity. So the demand curve meet at y-axis at A point and x-axis at B point. So we have to join these 2 points. ह्या 2 पॉईंटमध्ये y ॲक्सिसला जो डिमांड कर्व आहे तो A पॉईंटमध्ये मिळेल आणि x ॲक्सिसला तो डिमांड कर्व कुठे मिळेल B पॉईंटला. मग आपल्याला इथे हा जो AB, the length of AB is 8 centimeter. The length of AB is equal to 8 centimeter. We have to divide this curve in a 2 equal parts. 2 equal part मध्ये आपल्याला हा डिमांड कर्व काय करावा लागेल, डिवाइड करावा लागेल. We dividing this curve in a 2 equal parts. So this point we give a name P. So B is also 4 centimeter and PA is also 4 centimeter. We have to put these values in our formula. So formula, what is the formula? Elasticity of each point. Elasticity of each point ED is equal to lower segment divided by upper segment. So the point is our P. So the point is our P. So the lower segment of P, PB, upper segment PA. The value of PB is 4. The value of PA divided by 4. So the 4 ones are 4. The answer is 1. So here the elasticity of demand, that point is 1, means the unitary elastic demand. Next we have to explain the next point is P1. आपल्याला आता नेक्स्ट पॉईंट जो एक्सप्लेन करायचा आहे तो कोणता आहे P1. आपण पाहिले होते 5 टाइप्स आहेत. 5 टाइप्समध्ये आपल्याला कोणकोणते 5 टाइप्स आहेत. आपला जो ED आहे तो काय आहे, फर्स्ट टाइप इन्फिनिट. ED इज इक्वल टू 0. ED elasticity of demand is equal to 1 and elasticity of demand less than 1, elasticity of demand greater than 1. असे टाइप्स आहेत. यामधलं आपण आता काय एक्सप्लेन केलेलं आहे, ED इज इक्वल टू 1. नेक्स्ट पॉईंट कोणता आपल्याला एक्सप्लेन करायचा आहे, ED लेस दॅन 1. लेस दॅन 1 मीन्स पीच्या लोअर सेगमेंट काय आहे, पी नंतर P1. लोअर सेगमेंट काय असेल, P1. द नेक्स्ट टाइप वी हॅव टू एक्सप्लेन, P1 इज the lower segment of P1 is P1 ED is equal to elasticity of demand is equal to P1 P1B. Upper segment is P1A. P1B, this part we divided into two parts, that is PB, the distance is PB is 4, so the P1B distance is 2. So the upper segment of P1 P1A, that is 6. So the answer is 0.33. So the elasticity of demand is less than 1. Is it clear? So students, तुम्ही हे बाकीचे तिन्ही टाइप्स अशाच प्रकारे सॉल्व करायचे. इफ इज एनी डाउट देन आस्क मी. Thank you.